Most automation is event-based. It waits for something to happen. This node makes time itself the trigger. A Krill server on a Raspberry Pi. Empty. Everything we add is a node. Meet the cron timer. Standard cron syntax down to the second. This one fires every 5. On its own, it just ticks. Give it something to drive, a data point to count. It starts at 0. And a calculation, counter +1. The calculation watches the timer. Every tick wakes it up. There go the arcs, and it reads the counter. And the counter watches the calculation, storing each new value, feeding itself again. Here's the whole loop. No script, no loop. The timer drives everything. Turn it on. Every 5 seconds, the timer fires and the count goes up. 1, 2, 3, driven by nothing but the clock. That's the cron timer. Put any swarm on a schedule, wire it to a reading, a report, a relay, and it runs itself.